Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Whitley Puckett. She's a prevention specialist for the Kentucky Moms Matter program. Good morning, Whitley.
Good morning.
Whitley, you all do wonderful work here in the community, and you have an upcoming free baby shower. Can you tell us a little bit about the event?
Yes, the Kentucky Moms program sponsors baby showers, and any mom can come that is currently pregnant or up to 60 days postpartum. We give you a $20 gift card just for coming and hanging out with us. You get some free goodies. We're having our next one on September 7th at the Warren County Public Library, the Lisa Rice branch in downtown.
All right, Whitley, it sounds like a great event. What are the moms going to be learning at this event?
We go over just a bunch of different topics that cover making healthy choices while you're pregnant, postpartum, breastfeeding. We talk about substance use, domestic violence, even as far as certain household cleaners that you might think is perfectly safe to be using while you're pregnant, but it might not be as safe as you think.
Such important information and such a great opportunity that is free to the community. Now, Whitley, you all do wonderful work, as I mentioned. What is the goal of the Kentucky Moms program?
The goal of the Kentucky Moms program is just to provide assistance and resources to moms that just might be going through a hard time or might need some support. We understand pregnancy is a very stressful time and it's a very different life step for you to take, and we just want to be there so you don't feel alone throughout it.
What services are offered through the program?
We have our baby showers that we offer every month. So even if it's something that you couldn't attend the September one, we will have another one and we will always have flyers out about it. But we also offer case management services for moms that might have a substance use disorder, where we can help them get connected to resources, look into housing, food, or other things that they might need.
Sounds like a great program, Whitley. Who is eligible to participate in the Kentucky Moms Matter program?
Right now, any moms that are currently pregnant or up to 60 days postpartum can participate in our program.
Now, this free baby shower sounds like a great opportunity. I know you are going to be having some free prizes. What is the best way for someone to sign up for this event?
You can contact me through my email, which is wpuckett@lifeskills.com, or they can always call me. It's 270-901-5000, extension 114.
All righty, Whitley. For anyone who is just now tuning in, you all have an upcoming free baby shower. Can you tell us a little bit more about what is going to be happening at the event?
Yeah, we're going to go over and we'll have like a little educational class where we talk about the risk of substance use, signs to look out for domestic violence, and all these different topics that really just relate to you making healthy choices that can lead to a healthy baby, but also a healthy you. And we'll have little prizes, we'll have a big giveaway, we'll give out some free goodies, we'll play some games.
Now, if someone is watching and they maybe have a loved one who is pregnant or postpartum, is this something that they can share with them and encourage them to come to?
Absolutely, yes.
All right, Whitley, when is this event going to be again?
It's going to be September 7th at the Warren County Public Library, the Lisa Rice branch, the one downtown.
And what time is the event?
It's going to be at 1 p.m.
Whitley, you all do wonderful programming. What is the goal of the Kentucky Moms program?
The goal of the Kentucky Moms program is just for us to be there to provide assistance to moms that are pregnant or postpartum. And really, we're just here to help them in any way we can and make this transition in their life a little easier.
All righty, Whitley. Thank you so much for being with us today to promote your upcoming free baby shower. For anyone who is pregnant or 60 days postpartum, the event will be on Thursday, September 7th from 1 to 3 p.m. at the Warren County Public Library on State Street. To register for the event, you can email Whitley at wpuckett@lifeskills.com. You can provide the full name, the due date, or the baby's birthday, provide the phone number and/or email. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.